Port Huron, where that 3.7-inch bullseye in 6 hours, they picked up all of that up today. So it has been quite a day, but you can see a lot of spots in there in the blue shades. That's less than a ½ inch over the 3-day total. So some folks are still looking for a little bit more in the way of wet weather, and they'll be around tomorrow, although the amounts are going to be pretty weak as we get into Election Day. So starting out tomorrow when the polls open up, we're really not anticipating much of anything as far as precipitation goes until after the lunch hour. Widely scattered light showers, mostly in the north and metro zone, and then those are going to fade as the polls close as we get into tomorrow evening. And then we've got a dry stretch that's going to take us all the way in to the weekend. Temperature-wise, tomorrow 75 is as warm as we get, plus with lower humidity. It's going to be a very comfortable day, just dodging some of those showers. Clouds broke in the areas south of 8 Mile, and that allowed temperatures to make it all the way into the 80s. It's 83 right now at Metro, and over the next 6 to 10 days, we're going to be above average temperature-wise, and also with precipitation, which is not something we've been able to say this month. Here's a quick check of tropical storm ISAIAS. Tough to tell where that eye is. They still say it's about 60 miles offshore, but it looks like that storm is going to be making landfall soon. Very high-end tropical storm, likely going to become a Category 1 hurricane as it makes its way towards the Carolina coast and then puts a lot of rainfall across the East Coast over the next 3 days. Here's a look at temperatures tonight with that lower humidity. Eventually comfortable by tomorrow morning, 62. High temperatures tomorrow, again, going to be warmer in the southern half of the area compared to what we're going to see in the north zone. Mid-70s there in the metro and south zones for high temperatures tomorrow. And then further to the north where those clouds are going to be thicker, you can see right around 70 degrees for that high in Flint and even some 60s for highs in Lapeer and Sanilac County tomorrow. But the heat does come back. We're back to the 80s by Friday, and the humidity comes back Sunday, so there is a lot more summer left to go, guys.